Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Umkhosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkhosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho is about the secretary of the MK party. Guys, let me just post this video first, then I'll come back. Bazala bami zitho, that is Pastor Bushiri, even though I feel as if he doesn't deserve to being called a pastor, and Floyd Shibambu, secretary MK party, guys. Pastor Bushiri, guys, if you don't know, Pastor Bushiri country has been wanting him bekabalekile abuyele eMalawi, but he had a big church in South Africa where he used to scam people abanganamali, abantu abanganamali, athi uyenza imagic, uhambe emoyeni, athi usithunyelwe uNkulunkulu. And the sad part, yabona ukuscam abantu is ibhlungu yona, guys, but sometimes omunye angeza athi no, baskenywa ngoba like abanothisi, or even though it's so unfair ukuthi umuntu maskenyiwe uthi wena usikinywa ngoba bakanganaki, there were red flags. But another thing, Pastor Bushiri, guys, azo attend one of the case azo attend churches that they are laid kuye is because udlengule abantwana, udlengule many girls esontweni. There are girls abaphumule ukuthi pastor used to force himself kula abantwana. And guys, as a country, if you remember 2 weeks back or a week back, we were fighting, and as a country we're united and saying justice for a 7-year-old Kwekwe. Just imagine now seeing a political person, someone we trust, someone we voted for MK, guys, we believed in MK, and if secretary MK will be seen, guys, ahamba nabantu umuntu like uBushiri, someone obone it's right ukuthi yena as forced komunye umuntu, then each picture is Floyd ayiphainthayo, guys. That means, as we were saying, justice for Kwekwe, justice for those ladies aba attend the court bakhala for that pastor owabadlengula abangazange bayithola justice, because upastor khona uphunyumile ngithi manje, and kuthiwa uzomuvela country that doesn't makes thing, or that doesn't makes it fair, and that doesn't makes it easy for abantu abadlengule, and that doesn't say labantu bayitholi justice because he is still free uzophila country like that. Means we'll still say justice for abantu abadlengulwe uBushiri, guys. Yes, I know icase akakahlali akalithola langa lakhe court because bekabalekile, and if he was innocent bekabalekelani, guys, let's just be fair. And then now isekuvela umbuzo ukuthi njengoba bekabalekile, and then now we are seen going with this big person uShibambu, guys, is big. Ubalekisa ubani, understand? I'm not saying uShibambu yenzile, but this thing is really breaks my heart nje, imvele yamosha moya pasika, because I'm one of those women abamela abafazi abahlukumezekile, abamela abafazi abashayayo. But then when you see this person, you voted for this party, then isecretary yenu ibonakala ihamba nomuntu onama charges amaningi abhlungu, guys. This person uBushiri took advantage of abantu abahluphekile, took advantage of abafazi abanganamadoda, took advantage of abantwana abancane in the name of Jesus, athi yena uNkulunkulu, abiza abantwana, book them wherever ababhukela khona, hlala lapho azi-forced kulabantwana. We have abantwana manje abakhala almost every day, and ababhiliva ukuthi i-justice system ya-South Africa izobalwela and izoba fair kubo lo muntu aboshwe, not yena one nonkosikazi wakhe. But now look ukuthi uSmayila kanjani uBushiri, you could see ukuthi uhamba ne-role model, like yathini uhamba noNkulunkulu, uhappy. Ayikho enye into ezojustify into ezoBushiri. No, Floyd uhappy. Floyd, I don't care what Bushiri does. Into engizisa ubuhlungu in this video engiceda ukuyibona bazala is uFloyd. You know mabathi yabo sihlala sithi umuntu makhuluma into engekho right sithi hambe esikolweni singaphinde sisho lento leyo ngoba uFreud yasitshengisa ukuthi education yodwa anyeke ikuhluze emcondo and lento yenza uFreud ibhlungu guys I wanna lie ibhlungu and I don't care ukuthi abantu they are saying we are making this video because sithunyiwe to destroy MK. This thing has nothing to do with MK and I think it will be only fair ukuthi uFreud makabuye kulawa ma-Easter wakhe nalelo sonto like eMalawi abuye MK and do something about this thing because it's not good for image yenhlangano. Let's just be honest. It is not good for image yenhlangano. With the general secretary, this is not just a member. This is the general secretary of inhlangano. Ibonakala happy hamba nomuntu okuthiwa uke wadlengula abantu. Yeah, understand ukuthi into esinda kangakanani. But bazalwane, so that is all for now. Please comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.